Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of quantum computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked quantum computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.55. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 144.79% since we first identified quantum computing as a buy candidate 39 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.71% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this rise. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential percentage change of 174.26% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 120.76% to 221.93%. In terms of the longer perspective, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 81.13%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 21.38% to positive 195.95% over the next year. In present terms, this would forecast a future price between $16.24 and $61.14. Our latest daily update for quantum computing includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Quantum Computing Incorporated as Stock Downgraded to Buy Candidate. The Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price gained approximately 0.0484% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025. The price rose from $20.65 to $20.66. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.03%, ranging from a low of $20.16 to a high of $21.18. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 8.22% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 21 million shares, with a total of 18 million shares traded for approximately $378.36 million. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $27.15, while the lowest price was 52 cents. Currently, the price is 23.90% or $6.49 below the 52-week high of $27.15, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Quantum Computing Incorporated, trading under the symbol QUBT, is generating significant market buzz following a series of compelling developments. On the 2nd of July, shares surged by 10.8%, vastly outpacing the broader market indices, indicating strong investor sentiment. This spike follows the noteworthy achievement of shipping its first commercial entangled photon source for quantum communication, boosting QUBT stock by 50% over the past month. Additionally, the company recently received a new buy rating from Cantor Fitzgerald, suggesting a bullish outlook with a target price set at $15. Such ratings can enhance investor confidence and likely contribute to continued upward momentum in the short term. Moreover, the growing recognition of quantum computing's potential to disrupt various industries, particularly in drug discovery and artificial intelligence, is stimulating widespread interest in QUBT and its peers. Despite the excitement, volatility remains a hallmark of the quantum computing sector, with stocks frequently experiencing drastic price shifts. Long-term investors will need to stay vigilant as ongoing investigations into corporate governance could pose challenges moving forward. Overall, while the immediate outlook appears promising, particularly in light of market trends and analyst coverage, the long-term trajectory of QUBT will depend on the company's ability to navigate scrutiny and capitalize on its technological advancements. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, it was reported that Ascendient assigned QUBT a buy grade alongside a hold action. Analysts have assigned quantum computing stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. Today, there are mixed signals in the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 16th of June 2025, and so far it has decreased by 2.64%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Quantum Computing Incorporated stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, a general buy signal exists based on the relationship between the two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $18.56 and $15.11. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Interestingly, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 13 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal emerged 177 days ago. The short-term moving average generated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a buy signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 40 days ago as well. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a sell signal 46 days ago. The long-term moving average produced a buy signal 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 30 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. Quantum Computing Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $19.79. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.02 between its high and low, which is a change of 5.3%. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 10.13%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for quantum computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of September 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for quantum computing is at $21.22. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be crossed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this level could represent an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, quantum computing has its first support level at $19.79. If this support level remains intact, it could provide a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for quantum computing from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of June, 2025, Roberts Christopher Bruce conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. On the same day, Roberts Christopher Bruce also made an insider purchase of 400,000 shares of stock options. On the 30th of June, 2025, Huang Yuping bought 1,050,812 shares of common stock. On the 13th of June, 2025, Baumler Christopher conducted an insider purchase of 22,314 shares of common stock. On the same day, Baumler Christopher made another insider purchase of 58,510 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 33.629. In total, insiders purchased 59,721,631 shares and sold 4,162,921 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $19.90, reflecting a decline of 3.7%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Quantum Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 7th of July, we anticipate that quantum computing will open higher by 0.05 and begin trading at $20.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is essential that you do not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.